Hello, and welcome to my project presentation and overview of Realtime Landscaping Architect. Realtime Landscaping Architect is an industry-specific software that is used to create professional-grade plans and designs. Within this software, there are many easy-to-use tools to create a perfect landscape. Some of these tools include a house tool, region tool, and patio tool. With Realtime Landscaping Architect, you have the ability to switch from 2D to 3D with one click of the mouse. These views are called Plan View and Perspective View. To begin our project, we inserted an overlay image to begin building our landscape. When we inserted the overlay image, we scaled the image by using a known measurement, which was the front door in this case. Now that the image was scaled, we are in a 1-to-1 ratio, which means we are designing in real-world dimensions. The last thing we did during this step was to create a new layer for our background image, so when we are designing, we can keep objects organized throughout our work progress. All of the steps I just covered are almost identical to AutoCAD and Dynascapes. We used an overlay image, layers, and we also scaled the image 1-to-1. Realtime Landscaping Architect has a total of 3 different viewing modes: Plan View, Perspective View, and a Walkthrough View. This is the Plan View, a 2D design space. It is very similar to AutoCAD's workspace and Dynarscape's model space. We did the majority of the design using Plan View. Here, we inserted our trees, shrubs, patios, driveway, walkways, workspace, lawn, hedge, fire pit, and planting beds. This is the perspective view in Realtime Landscaping Architect. It is a 3-dimensional viewport and workspace. In this working space, we inserted our house, windows, doors, and the pergola on the back deck for the dining area. This 3-dimensional view is unlike AutoCAD and Dynarscape. Those softwares did not have a 3D viewport or workspace. Realtime Landscaping Architect has a library of objects. This includes the common things you would find in a landscape, such as furniture, pots, fire pits, kitchen equipment, and more. We were able to use these objects and insert them into our design to show the practical uses for the spaces we designed. The library of objects is most similar to Dynarscape's because it also had its own built-in list of objects. AutoCAD was a little different because we had to use an outside source called CAD blocks to insert objects into our design. There are a few object-specific tools, and the object-specific tools I'm talking about are the house tool, patio tool, and region tool. With the house tool, we were able to build a model of the house we were designing for. This is a great feature because it really gives a client the ability to see what the landscape plan is going to look like when it is installed and grown to its full desired look. The patio tool is a tool used to create a patio. With this tool, you just measure out the size patio you desire, and then you choose what material and hatch pattern you want. Finally, the region tool is used for creating turf areas, ground cover, and mulch. You select the area by drawing out an outline with the tool and then selecting your desired cover, whether it be turf, mulch, or another ground cover. The house tool is unlike Dynarscapes and AutoCAD because they were only able to complete an outline of the house, and Realtime Landscaping Architect is able to build a 2-scale model of the house. The patio tool is also unlike Dynarscapes and AutoCAD, since it has a real-world color, elevation, and texture in it. All the Dynarscapes and AutoCAD can do is an outline of the patio and then insert a hatch pattern, which is somewhat similar. But finally, the region tool is unlike Dynarscapes and AutoCAD. Neither of those softwares had the ability to insert a specific lawn, mulch, or ground cover, and has graphics to the design. The plant list included with Realtime Landscaping Architect is a very large and specific list. In this list, it includes annuals, perennials, cactus, shrubs, and trees. From this list, we are then able to select our desired plant and insert it onto our plan designs. Realtime Landscaping Architect also has a setting to where you can change the plants to look as if they were in all 4 seasons, so spring, summer, fall, and winter, so the client knows what their design will look like in all the seasons of the year. Realtime Landscaping Architect also shows the age of the plants associated with their size at that age. Another feature in this software is a plant list. The plant list is automatically generated when you are inserting plants into your design. All you have to do is click the plant list button and then size it to the size you desire on your paper space. Compared to Dynascapes, this is quite similar, besides the age part and changing seasons. Dynascapes had a plant list as well as a plant tool for specific plants. On the other hand, AutoCAD was not similar at all with this process because it was not an industry-specific software, so it did not have anything plant-related. This is the final product from our project using Realtime Landscaping Architect. It is in plan view. It also includes 3 perspective photos on the bottom of the page to show the front entrance, outdoor seating and dining space, and the fire pit. If you look at the bottom right-hand side, you can see the plant list that I inserted, which includes all of the plants used in the design. I added the photos on the bottom because we were not able to use the walkthrough method due to being virtual and our computers not having the capability of completing it. But if we were able to use it, it would be like a video walkthrough of the landscape design, really giving the client a realistic look of their desired and proposed landscape. Overall, I enjoyed using this software. I preferred it more than Dynascapes for sure, and compared to AutoCAD, it was very nice having an industry-specific software and objects and textures for the design, unlike just using lines, circles, and hatch patterns for a landscape design. Realtime Landscape gave a very realistic feel. Realtime Landscaping Architect also has a feature called Realtime Landscaping Photo. This is a software where you can insert a photo in 2D and can work over top of it using it as an overlay. In this software, we were able to take this original photo and turn it into a new design in just a few minutes. The software has a built-in cloning tool that allows you to remove existing shrubs and trees that you don't desire, like the evergreens in this original image. In this new image, we have removed the evergreens and inserted the pre-installed 2-dimensional plant photos that the software has. We also use the region tool to create the mulch beds and turf areas. This is a great software for a small design, and it can be accomplished in minutes when talking with a client, and it can be completed and altered right in front of the client, not wasting any precious time. Thank you for watching my presentation on Realtime Landscaping Architect. I hope you enjoyed.